बॉलीवुड की स्टार्स के बारे में तो आपने बहुत सुना होगा, पर दिलजीत दोसांझ एक स्टार नहीं, एक आइकॉन है। क्योंकि 2024 में उन्हें एक सिंगर या सिर्फ एक एक्टर की तरह नहीं, बल्कि एक कल्चरल फोर्स, एक मूवमेंट की तरह जाना जाता है। दिलजीत दोसांझ हैज सिंगल हैंडेडली पब्लिसाइज्ड द मीनिंग ऑफ पंजाबी सिंगिंग ग्लोबली। पर भला पंजाब के एक छोटे से जिले के इस लड़के ने इतना नाम और इंटरनेशनल फेम कैसे कमाया? This is the Diljit Dosanjh Effect, and I am your host Aditi. तो I'm sure दिलजीत दोसांझ का नाम आप सबने सुन रखा होगा, पर क्या आपको पता है कि he is one of the most richest and monetized singer of India? Like he makes upwards of millions just through his concerts. And that alone makes him more popular and richer than some of the most biggest singers coming from the industry, including Arjit Singh and Shreya Ghoshal. But why is that? You see, Diljit का music almost exclusively Punjabi folk tradition से inspired है, which he uses as the baseline of his music, but he amazingly adds a touch of modernity along with hip-hop to popularize his music among the younger generations. और शायद यही एक रीजन है कि दिलजीत दोसांझ के गाने बड़े और बच्चों दोनों में बहुत पॉपुलर हैं। But that alone is not the reason why he is so popular. क्योंकि आज के जमाने में सिंगर्स का खुद को रीब्रांड एंड री एडवर्टाइज करना बहुत ही ज्यादा कॉमन है। बट इस कल्चर में दिलजीत दोसांझ हैज ऑलवेज स्टेड ट्रू टू हिज रूट्स, क्योंकि उनकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत उनकी ऑथेंटिसिटी है। दिलजीत दोसांझ हमेशा पंजाबी में गाते हैं, चाहे उनकी ऑडियंस ग्लोबली क्यों ना हो। इनफैक्ट वो अपने कई सारे कॉन्सर्ट्स की स्टार्ट करते हैं पंजाब आ गया है लाइन से, मीनिंग दैट पंजाब इज हियर। वो अपने आइडेंटिटी को कभी भी डाइल्यूट नहीं बट उसे एम्ब्रेस करते हैं। बट दैट इज नॉट इवन इट, ही इज नोन फॉर हिज बीबा मुंडा पर्सनैलिटी, जो कि एक रिफ्लेक्शन है उनके ऑल इंडियन हम्बल एंड डाउन टू अर्थ पर्सनैलिटी की। He presents himself as that one child that every mother wants, which obviously further contributes to his already very popular persona. But अब तक की उनकी सबसे ज्यादा रिलेटेबल फैक्टर ये है कि उन्हें इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे से बोलनी नहीं आती।
सब प्ले दिलजीत दोसांझ क्लैश।
I couldn't find the sounds you requested.
कौन? झूठिए।
Sounds by Diljit Dosanjh.
Alexa,
Amazon Music.
बट वो इस चीज से कभी खुद को बॉदर नहीं होने देते, वो इसे एम्ब्रेस करते हैं एंड खुद उसका मजाक भी उड़ाते हैं। लाइक यू कैन इमेजिन, इस देश में 100 से ज्यादा लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती है, बट somehow we still prioritize speaking English. But Diljit is not one to be imitated. He makes fun of the fact कि उन्हें अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलनी आती है, और अगर नहीं भी आती तो भी क्या। And as you can guess, this is such a relatable topic for most Indians, क्योंकि हमारे देश में इंग्लिश बोले जाने को बहुत ही ज्यादा वैल्यू दी जाती है। But Diljit Dosanjh, on the other hand, just does not care. And that is why he's so well liked, because literally nothing can break this guy. And I think it goes without saying कि उनकी popularity का one of the biggest reasons is his song itself, because he is one of the most popular singers from Punjab and he has a big hand in popularizing Punjabi singing in India. And all of this is very prevalent in his fan base, because आपको पता ही होगा कि now he is live with his concert, his very own Dil Illuminati tour, and the tickets for the concert have been flying away. And that is not a light statement, because उनका concert जा रहा है against Coldplay's Indian tour, and hands down people are still purchasing Diljit Dosanjh's Dil Illuminati tour because he's so incredibly popular. And this is a bigger deal than what you might think. क्योंकि भला कोई कुछ भी क्यों ना कहे, इंडिया में हमेशा पॉप सिंगर्स को इतनी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दी जाती है, which is why the concept of tours, concerts and special live events are more popularized in America and European countries than it is in India. But Diljit is changing that, because this is the very first time that I'm watching an Indian singer making headlines abroad. And I have to talk about this because Diljit Dosanjh was also invited to perform in Coachella this year. And it will be an understatement to say that he broke the stage. And once again, he sings in Punjabi, so for him to get so much traction abroad is one of its kind. Just this last week, the Dil Illuminati's New York City concert tickets have been gone. Like they sold out completely, that too in an English speaking city. And that goes on to say that the Diljit Dosanjh effect is not one to be taken lightly, because for an Indian singer to have this massive of a global impact is literally unheard of. But Diljit Dosanjh has been doing it all, and that is all because वो कभी भी एक single trend नहीं follow करते. He creates his own narrative. And yes, while there have been other Punjabi singers जो कि अपने टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर रहे हैं, दिलजीत की बात अलग है क्योंकि उनका फैन बेस ऑलमोस्ट एक्सक्लूसिवली नॉन पंजाबी है. But still, everybody gets drawn to his songs because his music is so incredibly relatable and soulful at the same time. Take it from me, मुझे पंजाबी बिल्कुल भी बोलनी नहीं आती है, but I still listen to him. And this sets him apart from other singers of his time and genre. The Diljit Dosanjh effect is all about representation, identity and authenticity. A reflection of all things जो कि हम दिलजीत के 20 साल के करियर में देख सकते हैं. And that was it for the video, guys. I know इस वीडियो का पैटर्न मेरी और सारे वीडियोस से बहुत ज़्यादा अलग है, but do let me know how you like this video. I just wanted to come up with something bright after posting so much dark stuff on my feed. If you haven't already, then do subscribe to my channel down below because I will be coming up with more such videos very, very soon. And with that being said, I'm Aditi and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.